I am Aaron. There are other people in the group that are not here today, as you guys can see. But this is the Soy Boys Tech channel, and here's the room.
I'm in Austin for the first time ever, and I'm kind of horny and shit. What you mean by that? Huh? I'm curious. Nut in your girl real fast, she furious. Bitch, I'm mysterious. Pull up in the back of her butt, Johnny sins, well, I'm serious. Big ass balls, big ass house, ayy. Big ass shakes, hot ass spouse, ayy. Run the cheese, a Mickey Mouse, ayy. Suck on these, the in your mouth, ayy.
I feel like Horton. Who the fuck are you? Bit off more than I could fucking chew. On the bus, transporting, stacking green, Hal Jordan. 23 bitches on my core, feel like Mike Jordan. Off the record, seeing the dark. Tag teaming your bitch, we Lewis and Clark. In the Bahamas, where the Tommy. With your bitch, call her mommy. They trying to stop it, they mad though. I'm all in her ear like I'm Van Gogh.
What you mean by that? I'm curious. Nut in your girl real fast, she furious. Bitch, I'm mysterious. Pull up in the back of her butt, Johnny sins, well, I'm serious. Big ass balls, big ass house, ayy. Big ass shakes, hot ass spouse, ayy. Run the cheese, a Mickey Mouse, ayy. Suck on these, the in your mouth, ayy. Shimmy yeah, shimmy yo, shimmy yo. It's around a Tuesday, buy my mama car. I'm 50, baby. Skirt, young gripping on that wood grain. My girl, education, she got good brain.
Bitch tryna throw me off my game. Fame going to my head, I got a migraine. But pussy gluten-free, she eat keto. You out of touch with the kids like a bad pedo.
Bruh, we finna get canceled, you can't be saying that shit. What the fuck's wrong with
my
you?
bad.
What you mean by that? I'm curious. Your girl real fast, she furious. Bitch, I'm mysterious.
I got 5 hours of that thing. Can you like how it's up to recording or powered? So then I'll log out the cable so I can use it as a transmitter.
Run the cheese, a Mickey Mouse, ayy. Suck on these, the in your mouth, ayy.
Hey yo, what the
Baba Boo.
Press one button, now the roof gone. These dudes be bitches like Mulan. Get more bread than a crouton. I'm swimming in the pussy like Dugon. My bitch be hotter than Tucson. Still rich, but I'm fucking on futons. Strap stay with me like it's glued on. Just seen your bitch selling pussy on Groupon. I'm fresh to death, but I'm wildin'. I tell a bitch to be quiet. I keep myself on silent for when the host and pics it ain't private. Shit, we doing drugs like it's the 80s. Me and Cracker Crispy like the 18. Why your mama wanna have my babies? Cause I'm bringing sexy back like JT. Woo!
Making these hits like a Timberlake. Private just straight out to Italy. She set me up on the interstate. Little bitch hit me up and you getting played.
I done curve more bitches than a squat rack. Feel like Jeff Gordon, I'm on track. Lost a couple M's, I'ma make it right back. She want fuck, gotta hit it with a contract. She had them thighs like music, but her face like drowsy. I'ma pass on the hoe like Rowley. I'ma still go and give me that mouthy. Hit it once, now I got me feeling lousy. I'm trying to stimulate the senses fucking 5 times. Enough money to last a couple lifetimes. Fucking bitches while I'm feeling in my downtime. All up in the gut, chillin' like an enzyme. Hey, hey, that pussy bald, I'ma make a wish. Hey, these boys are starving, come and grab a dish.
Hey, you already know that my bitch is bad. Me and your mama go picture that. Bitch, look at me, I'm your richer dad. Hey, throw it back, make it clap. Throw it back, throw it back, make it clap. Throw it back. I'm making these hits like a Timberlake. Private just straight out to Italy. She set me up on the interstate. Hit me up and you getting paid.
Yeah, I made a bag off the net like iCarly. Off the top I spit, I'm Jeff Hardy. Play girls like Barbies. Got white boys talking like, dude, gnarly.
Back inside this bitch, I never left though. She gon' suck my dick until she strep throat right inside your bitch. And then I left though, said I'm gon' be broke.
You wanna bet though? Get along. Just past third base, now we headed home. Like Marvin Gaye, let's get it on. I'ma do the deed like I'm Doug Dimmadome.
Make another hit, reloading. Give your girl the Heimlich, she choking. Said I love the bitch, I'm joking. Tell me why I just started stroking.
Okay, people, so carpet's in. Carpet is in. Looks nice. Now it's time to move all the stuff back. Here. Okay. As you see, the first thing we've actually put in here, that I put in here that is different, is a good old Taylor Swift poster. Because we love Taylor Swift. Now, something you guys might... Oh, I'm over here. Something you guys may have seen, with the camera being up here and pointing over there. Shut up, truck. There's a special surprise that, if you are my family watching this, you know I've already had this. But, I spent $200 with stuff, so I have something to show you all. But I don't have any more. So you need new nails? Yeah, they're special. Yeah, I need black and color.
What are you going to do with that or what? Yeah, then do it. I hope so.
Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, couch. Nice big couch, but I need to put some more furniture. Yeah. Well, I mean, it's still warm.
Genie Grant, I wish I'm getting rich, huh? Remember when I said I hit a lick, huh? I don't really wanna fuck the bitch, what? Willie went and made another hit, okay, like Prada on my motherfucking kid, huh? Louis on my motherfucking hip, huh? Curry how I dunk, no switch, hey, fuck you gonna fuck that bitch, hey, if you ain't gon' fuck with me, you a dumb fuck, put up a hit up for that one punch, look at my bank and I'm getting dumb rich, and I'm gonna count it up till 100, I'm just trying to.
So this is my mess that I need to clean up, so we can turn the computer off, unplug things.
And now she down the fuck, he wanna be like me, I'll tell him run it up. Hey, run it up. Hey, my pocket's back, got money stacks, I'm posted in the back and got 100 racks. Hey, hey, 100 racks. Hey, hey, I'm coming up, she down the fuck, he wanna be like me, I'll tell him run it up. Hey, run it up. Hey. Round one like I got fight, in the kitchen I'm whipping like Betty White, bad bitch on my list like light, I've been killing the business, feel like I'm Dwight, big bones to your boy, still breastfeed, bad bitch wanna be my bestie, new ice my wrist like jet ski, talk shit, get hit, don't test me, running and don't ever stop, got a Mac in the back and we let that shit pop, ayy, pull up and skirt out the lot, see I don't got no time but my wrist got a watch, 100 get stuffed in a sock and I don't chase a bitch only after the guap, ayy, wrist of my drink on the rocks, see I can't fuck that bitch if her dad is a cop, bumming and bumming, these kids wanna beat me cause everything from me goes straight to the top, ayy, made a few bands off a single, at the end of the day you can't piss in a pop, bitch you broke, started getting famous now I'm feeling like the Pope, spending time in Vegas about to make a lot of dough, quick scope, no scope, you hoes on ghost, deep throat my low.
Get a flashlight.
Hey, dude.
What?
Well, those plugs come with coverage?
Yeah.
Because I just got thinking like, oh, those.
So fans, these are cool plugs. The cool plugs are.
May I see one, please?
You may in a minute if I can open the box. The cool plug. I'll show you how to use that in a second.
Oh, so okay, it's that cover instead of
So-
the cover. Okay.
It has USB and USB, but also your plugs at 30 watts, so it charges your phone blazing fast in almost 25 minutes, 0 to 100. So,
He thinks he's cool.
I am. So, yeah, that's how you take that out. You just gotta really
Okay.
press on it. And
Well,
then
that's fine. So
there's that.
hope that fits in the box. Houston, look how big this thing is compared to a regular plug. Regular plug's half this size.
Well, you've got to process the power somewhere.
Okay, I gotta go find the power source and
the lights will turn on. I'm messing the floor. Oh. So these plug covers have a little mechanism thing. So here, you gotta push on this tab. They recommend a screw or a flathead screwdriver to do it, but us who have strong nails can do it. So basically, it comes from this to this, because you know there's no holes on this, so you can't really drill holes or whatever. So they give you a packet of nails. Then you got this. So you don't put in the wall just by like this. You have to put this on like this. Make sure that top part goes to the top part, goes to the top, just like that. And then you got your holes to drill into there. And oh, I'm looking at it. Oh yeah, I only need one. So this. The lights didn't turn off. Huh? Oh. That's awesome. So which one did you do? Huh? Yeah. So either we can do it the dangerous way of doing it live.
oh, yeah, that live is too much
Too much juice.
handling. No, I don't like doing that.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel good. That is that frustrating.
Oh, okay. So
I didn't like the feeling of that.
basically, we have to flip RAM switches that are unlabeled.
Do it now?
You're gonna have to flip switches that are unlabeled downstairs.
Okay.
After today, we're gonna label that one to say Aaron's Studio.
Yeah. You know which one it is?
Why?
Because it just blew the breaker downstairs. That was the purpose of that. So now I know which one it is downstairs. But that wasn't lights, it's just plugins.
I just saw a whole bunch of spark. I'm like, no, not on fire now.
No, basically, it's not always proper to do it that way, but
Did it just like fry that entire thing?
No, it just shorted across and then blew the breaker downstairs.
Does it automatically turn off? Or?
Yeah. So now it's turned off downstairs.
Step back, man, pussy, step back. UFC highlights with the range I kick. With that, what's that, yo? Funds bouncing off like a jetpack, huh? Got a big head and I got a big hair, bang, bang.
Got the plugs. Alright, got the plugs all in. And I tested them on my phone with the USB-C. They are for sure 30 watts because they show up on my phone as super fast charging. So that is a good sign, and my phone can be charged within 30 minutes, so yeah. Now, let's put the room back together.
For you waxing and causing upheaval. Yes, this top ain't through shit. You can catch me on the blacktop lanes I split. Hit him with a step back, made it with a step back. UFC highlights with the range I kick. With that, what's that, yo? Funds bouncing off like a jetpack. Got a big head and I got a big hair, brain blast. You can catch up now. I tell them put it on my tab, whoa. Cause the IRS is coming for my ass, whoa. Fuck them bitches, man, I'm never paying tax, whoa. So much money, call me Mr. Moneybags, Mr. Money, baby, I'm a I'm obsessed, money on the floor, in my drawer, in my chest, I don't do my chores anymore, I'm a mess, give me more, you get less, then I watch it come in abundance, they see me stunning and love it, green in my hand like a muppet, don't give a fuck about a budget, and now my dash at 100 and got a handful of pesos, all this fucking cash like I married Jeff Bezos. Now look at me, I be hotter than 100 degrees, now look at me, like a dryer, got the they said that money doesn't grow on trees, they said the best told to put it on my tab, whoa, cause the IRS is coming for my ass, whoa, fuck them bitches, man, I'm never paying tax, whoa, so much money, call me Mr. Moneybags, Mr. Money, baby, I'm a ball till I fall, I'm steady going off for the wall, does anybody know who to call, and let them know the bank don't stop, it don't stop, say gimme, dumb motherfucker getting money, feel like Forrest Gump, 4 whores in my 4-door when I'm showing up, oh my god, send my payroll, got your papa, ghost in the garage while my phantom's at the opera. Now look at me, I be hotter than 100 degrees, now look at me, like a dryer, got the heat in my jeans, they said that money doesn't grow on trees, they said the best things in life are free, I told them put it on my tab, whoa, cause the IRS is coming for my ass, whoa, fuck them bitches, man, I'm never paying tax, whoa, so much money, call me Mr. Moneybags, Mr. Money, baby, I'm a ball till I fall, I'm steady going off for the wall, does anybody know who to call, and let them know the bank don't stop, it don't stop, say gimme,
She belongs to the street.
Yeah, she do, but where she at though? To be honest, I ain't seen her in the last 4. Homie said, ayo, track, where your last hoe? I don't know, but it wasn't gonna last though. Making money, bitch, I'm a bankroll. I don't know, you stay the hell out of my payroll. Super hot, got the ice on my wrist, huh? Crack about to pull up with that assist, fuck Rona, bitch, I'm a grown-up. I'm a stoner, pull up to the corner. Bad bitch, I ain't fuck with a thought. I'm never picking up, I be ducking a lot. Got a stack in the bad hole. Lot of cheese, call it pepper jack on me. Got a whole lot of bangers on deck. I was broke, then a label cut a check, bitch.
But why the fuck you always capping, G? I know you ex, man, wish he could rap like me. I got her with a hoe and clapping cheeks, and I can never tell a lie on the fact machine. She said we had a thing, but I don't know her. Fuck a Bentley truck.
Alright, so, and now I got it cleaned. It's not the final product because, actually, it is kind of. But there are going to be a few more changes in the future. I know that for sure, but let's look at it. So here we got some storage, some more storage for some other things. This will be filled with more tech, not pillows and blankets. And then you got the TV, the keyboard, the mouse, the Wi-Fi router, some more storage, the computer. The computer may change, the camera. Don't know what to do with this area yet. And then you got a desk right there to set your stuff on. Then you got the couch. And then you got, I need to build another table right here. And then you got the stuff of what's gonna happen. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a long one. I mean, a long one to me, but it's probably gonna be short to you guys. So, welcome to Soy Boys. Hope to see you guys more.